2030, it will become a superior and innovative nutrition science study program in Southeast Asia in the field of public nutrition and nutritionship, according to the development of science and technology and Islamic ethics. Organizing education in the field of community nutrition and nutritionship based on Islamic value is accordance with development in science and technology.
Our nutrition program excels through strong academics, innovative learning, and hand-on practice to prepare professional graduates.
We provide modern facilities including a complete nutrition lab and a professional dietary kitchen to support practical learning.
Our graduates are ready to become skilled nutritionists and future nutripreneurs and bring positive change to community.
Nutrition graduates are ready to work in hospital, clinic, community health center, the food industry, and many more.
So, together with us,
Create a healthy,
Smart and more
dignified future!